Ever found yourself needing to ring up a sale on the go, away from your main POS system? Maybe you're at a pop-up shop, a trade show, or just running a quick errand for your business. The solution might be closer than you think. Your phone. Today, we're diving into how to connect your Lightspeed retail POS to your mobile device, turning your phone into a powerful sales tool. Lightspeed is a fantastic POS system, but its true flexibility shines when you can access it anywhere. Think about it. No more scrambling for a pen and paper receipt. No more lost sales because you couldn't process a card payment. Connecting your Lightspeed to your phone empowers you to run your business from the palm of your hand. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's clarify a few things. There are a couple of ways to connect your Lightspeed to your phone, and the best option for you depends on your specific needs and setup. We'll cover both the Lightspeed retail mobile app and accessing Lightspeed through your phone's web browser. First, let's talk about the Lightspeed retail mobile app. This is the dedicated app designed specifically for managing your Lightspeed retail account on your mobile device. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. So whether you're an iPhone or Android user, you're covered. Why would you choose the mobile app? Well, it's optimized for mobile use. The interface is designed to be intuitive on a smaller screen, making navigation and transactions quick and easy. It's perfect for tasks like ringing up sales, checking inventory, and managing customer information while you're on the move. So, how do you get started with the app? First, head to your device's App Store, the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Search for Lightspeed Retail and download the app. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to enter your Lightspeed Retail account credentials, your username and password. Make sure you have these handy. After logging in, you might be asked to select your location if you have multiple stores under your Lightspeed account. Choose the relevant location and you're in. You'll be greeted with the app's main dashboard, giving you access to all the essential features. Now, let's walk through a basic transaction. Let's say a customer wants to buy a specific item. You can search for the item by name, SKU, or even scan the barcode using your phone's camera. Once you've found the item, add it to the sale. You can then apply any discounts or taxes as needed. Finally, choose the payment method. The app supports various payment options, including cash, credit cards, and debit cards. If you're using a mobile card reader that integrates with Lightspeed, you can process card payments seamlessly through the app. The mobile app also lets you check inventory levels, manage customer profiles, and even generate reports. It truly puts the power of your Lightspeed system in your pocket. Now, what if you don't want to download a separate app? Or perhaps you're using a device that doesn't support the app. No problem. You can also access Lightspeed Retail through your phone's web browser. This method is particularly useful if you're already familiar with the desktop version of Lightspeed Retail, as the interface will be very similar. Simply open your phone's web browser, Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you prefer, and navigate to the Lightspeed Retail login page. Enter your account credentials just like you would on your computer. The advantage here is that you don't need to install anything. It's a quick and easy way to access your Lightspeed account from any device with an internet connection. However, keep in mind that the web interface might not be as optimized for mobile use as the dedicated app. The screen might be a bit smaller, and you might need to zoom in and out to navigate effectively. Whether you choose the mobile app or the web browser method, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need a stable internet connection. Lightspeed Retail relies on an internet connection to communicate with its servers, so make sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. A weak or intermittent connection can disrupt transactions and cause frustration. Second, battery life is crucial. Using your phone for POS transactions can be battery intensive, especially if you're processing a lot of sales. Make sure your phone is adequately charged before you head out, or consider carrying a portable charger with you. Third, security is paramount. Protect your Lightspeed account credentials like you would protect your bank account details. Don't share your password with anyone, and make sure you log out of your Lightspeed account when you're finished using it, especially if you're using a shared device. Finally, familiarize yourself with the features of the mobile app or the web interface. Take some time to explore the different options and settings. The more comfortable you are with the system, the more efficient you'll be at processing transactions and managing your business on the go. So, to recap, connecting your Lightspeed to your phone offers incredible flexibility and convenience. You can choose between the dedicated mobile app for a mobile-optimized experience or access Lightspeed through your phone's web browser for a familiar interface. Both methods allow you to manage your sales, inventory, and customer information from anywhere with an internet connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.